This is an earthworm. The body of an earthworm is made up of many rings joined end to end. An earthworm does not have bones. It has muscles which help to extend and shorten the body. This is the total length.
The whole body is converted into segmentation. The mouth, it is not clear indication. This is the mouth. You can identify the mouth part. This is the highly colored part, tritellum. This is the 13 to 14, 15 segment, and this is the end part. This is the beginning part. Sometimes it may be move in the opposite direction. If the in this direction is also movement, just like a mouth. It is also the main mouth. The movement you can see.
During movement, the earthworm first extends the front part of the body, keeping the rear portion fixed to the ground. Then it fixes the front end and releases the rear end. It then shortens the body and pulls the rear end forward. This makes it move forward by a small distance, repeating such muscles expansions and contractions. The earthworm can move through soil. Its body secretes a slimy substance to help the movement. So it can move just like this. How does it fix parts of its body to the ground? Under its body, it has large number of tiny bristles, air-like structures projecting out. The bristles are connected with muscles. The bristles help to get a good grip on the ground.
The total length of earthworm is the dorsal surface and it is the lower surface. Lower surface totally brown color, the soil color, and the above dorsal surface is segmented, segmented surface. And after some time it goes to in the surface, soil surface.
Now, earthworm is searching the soft surface of the ground to enter inside it. The earthworm actually eats its way through the soil. Its body then throws away the undigested part of the material that it eats. This activity of an earthworm makes the soil more useful for plants.